Okay, so as you know, I've run out of propane. So, yeah, jury rig. Getting molten alley out of there, absolutely lovely. The problem is, I don't know if you can see the smoke there. That is the insulation burning off this wire. And can I get a torch in here? Can I get a torch in here? Can I even find a torch in here? No, I guess not. Anyway, you can just about see it starting to bloom there. I need to find some way of insulating these wires against heat or getting some heat-proof wire. Any suggestions? Suggestions?